Good morning, guys. Morning, everyone. Is everyone doing okay? We're very excited today, no? Because we're about to launch something that IPC has been wanting to do for a very long time. And I can say that this is something that we had planned all along. When we bought that domain, cloud.com.ph, we knew that eventually it would come to this. Um, as you know, part of IPC's, we call it a cloud vocacy, is that we want to be able to be that catalyst that sparks change among Filipino businesses and get everyone to be educated and know exactly what they need to know to succeed through cloud computing. And this is precisely what we're doing today. This is the third year of the Philippine Cloud Summit, and every year it's getting bigger, meaning every year there's more interest, there's more questions being asked. And what we're launching here today is going to be that venue where you can ask a question any day, any time of the day, and someone will answer, an expert will answer. So we invite everyone to be a part of this. All right, so what is the cloud community of the Philippines? All right, so we created this to serve as just that, a venue to share ideas, to share opinions, best practices among all of us, among businesses and cloud users in general. It's for individuals who build, develop, maintain, and use cloud computing on a daily basis, whether it's infrastructure, it's platforms, or applications here in the Philippines. It is vendor agnostic. We want to make sure that this is an open space. We want to make sure that everyone can talk, everyone can actually share their insights. And definitely, we want to work hand in hand with the industry, business sector, and the government as well, particularly the newly formed DICT. Hopefully, we'll be able to start something with them and encourage organizations to achieve goals through cloud computing. So every organization has a vision, right? Our vision here is really simple. And I'm sure it's everyone else's vision here as a cloud user. We just want to see a bustling Philippine economy powered by the cloud. Plain and simple, right? Something to this effect. Right? Okay. And the mission, to be the trusted source of cloud computing insights, information, and best practices in the Philippines, and to influence cloud adoption among Filipino organizations through evangelization, enablement, and empowerment. And I'll tell you what those three things mean. No? So yeah, this is a cloud vocacy. It not only helps transform mindsets, but it will serve as a catalyst that will spark change in the way businesses are run. And that's what we're talking about here, digital transformation. And it cannot be just adapting new technologies over time. We really have to change the way that we do things, right? So yeah, by joining this community, members are able to contribute to society by sharing their time and knowledge about the cloud and ICT in general, and pave the way for startups and small businesses to flourish. I mean, 98% of businesses in the Philippines are SMEs. And this is exactly what that kind of platform that SMEs need to get up and running quickly, right? And the success of every Filipino business bolsters economic growth and nation building, resulting in better lives for every Filipino. So this community does not end in technology. It's not about what I know, what I can share, or the questions that I need to ask. It's not about your business. This is about the country. We're talking about the Philippines here. And all of us, we all need to play a role in sparking that economic reform. So yes, evangelize, enable, and empower. Evangelize non-believers. So just like a religion, no? Evangelize non-believers to try and trust the cloud and adopt a cloud-first mindset. Enable entrepreneurs and startups to launch quickly with the right cloud-based business tools and best practices, and empower businesses to achieve goals and spur swift growth with the help of enterprise cloud solutions. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So this is two-pronged. So what we're launching today is an online forum that you'll be able to access by just logging on to cloud.com.ph. And from there, you'll be able to engage with the different personalities, your peers, colleagues, and experts, non-experts. If you're an expert, please join. If you're not, if you don't know the first thing about the cloud, please join. So we'll definitely have a lot of social media engagement as well. And on the other side of the spectrum, aside from online, we'll do face-to-face activities. We'll do general assemblies on a regular basis as well. And of course, part of this community is learning. So we'll be conducting a lot of training sessions as well for different types of technologies. All right, so who should join? Users of cloud-based business apps, I suppose that's everyone here. Technopreneurs, could be everyone here. Software and web developers, maybe 30% of the people here. Systems administrators and engineers, maybe another 30%. And information technology enthusiasts, that's everyone, all right? Why? Why should we join? This is the all-important question, right? So the first is that never-ending quest for eternal knowledge, right? Just as soon as you think you know everything, someone will come along and prove to you that you don't, okay? As I mentioned earlier, there's nation building, and through all of this, we'll be able to seek and create and take advantage of the many opportunities through this community as well. And yeah, what's better than having everyone within your wavelength, talking to each other and being able to communicate about the same thing and talk about the same technologies and share your expertise among one another. How do we join? So now that's the big question, right? Let me introduce you to somebody who will basically be able to show you how to register and walk through the whole registration process, which is fairly easy. We have our special guest, me. Hi, Niño. Niño, live from the office. Niño, can you hear me?
Hi, Niño.
Yeah, good. Looking good, huh?
I know. Thanks.
Right, so why don't we say hi to everyone?
Thanks for coming to the summit today.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's show everyone how to register for the cloud community of the Philippines.
Sure thing. We can all do it at the same time.
Great. Let's start. First, take out your smartphone. Make sure that you have internet access, okay? Everybody. Are you following? Then open your browser.
Come on, guys. Why don't you take a look at this?
Right, so this cloud.com.ph site. Scroll down and click on register here. So you'll see an online form, right? The registration form. So just fill up all the fields, nominate a username, create a password, make sure that your password is not P@SSWORD. Make sure it's secure, all right? A secure password, okay? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, this is gonna take some time. Niño, this is gonna take some time. Can we just cut it to the last part? Okay, thanks. All right, so once you've accomplished everything, just hit OK, hit submit.
Wow, that was easy.
Yeah, I told you it was easy.
That's it?
Yes, that's it. Okay, so say goodbye to everyone.
All right, bye, guys. See you soon.
All right, thanks, Niño. All right. All right, so guys, please do register. Thank you very much.